I'm assuming you have clicked on this video because you're looking at these Achy orthotics and you're trying to make a decision, are these right for me or not right for me? Stick with me for a moment because I'm going to have a secret on how to make these more effective for you if you do choose to get them. Now let's talk about them themselves. I have had foot issues at different periods of my life. I've played a ton of sports, and sometimes you overdo it, right? And you get all kinds of issues with your feet. So I have experienced everything from the cheap junky orthotics to the ones that you thought were really good because they were expensive, to now I'm standing here holding these to you, and I'm telling you, I've looked at a lot of orthotics, and the quality of these constructions and the value in these is going to be real for you. A couple key things which I wanted to tell you about that I could tell instantly about them. Number one, on both of these styles, the material is kind of like a soft velvety material, which what does that do for you? That makes it so easy for you to slide your foot in, slide your foot out, whether you're barefoot or you have socks on. Either way, they're going to be easy to live with. Speaking of easy to live with, let me tell you my secret tip for you. So you're going to get these and you need to replace the insoles that are already in your shoes with these. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that the shoes you're wearing and you're intending to put these in are a half size larger than what you would normally wear, because these are substantial. They're substantial because they're really, first off, look at how firm these are. Look at this one in particular. How rigid is that? And not only is it rigid, it has these gel cushioning zones which are going to add, so like you get that rigid high arch support, but it's not brutal on your feet because you got these gel pads to soften that blow. Go with a little bit larger size shoe. Make sure that you pick the model that's going to best fit the kind of pain that you're having that you want some remedy for. In addition, I just wanted to make sure you understood that these are good for daily life, like walking around in your business casual shoes, that kind of stuff, sports, or if you're somebody who's working in a trade where you're on your feet all day, these would be absolutely fabulous for that. And I think in the end, you can have a lot of confidence in these. I'm telling you, I am a big proponent of quality as a value, right? It's not always about what is the least of that word that I can't say here on Amazon. It's not always about getting that lowest, those pile of green that I can't talk about here on Amazon. That's just throwing away money. Get something that's quality. That is value, right? That is value. It's going to last you a long time. It's going to do what you want it to. Go with the quality. I think this is really a great answer for you. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.